In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a Square Enix account. Because the exact pages can vary by region and by which Square Enix services you use, I'll walk you through the universal approach and set expectations so you know what you'll see on the way. Start by heading to the official Square Enix Support Center website. This is your hub for account tools and the place where deletion options or request forms live. Make sure you're on the correct regional site and switch the language if you need to, since forms and links can differ between regions. If you can log in, do that first. Being signed in helps the system verify who you are and often unlocks self-service options that won't appear otherwise. It also ensures any request you submit is linked to the correct account, which can speed things up. If you can't sign in, don't worry. You can still request deletion through the official form in a moment. Once you're in, look for an account or profile area, then browse settings. Depending on your region, you may find an account deletion option under Security, Privacy, or Account Management. If you see a clearly labeled deletion link or button, follow the on-screen prompts. You may be asked to confirm your email, agree that deletion is permanent, and acknowledge that access to connected services may be removed. Some Square Enix products distinguish between your main Square Enix account and service accounts. The deletion option you see usually refers to the main account, and the site will guide you if there's any difference. If no deletion option appears in settings, go back to the Support Center and search for the official account deletion request form. Open the form for your region and fill it out carefully. You'll typically provide details such as your registered email and other identifying information, so support can verify ownership. Stick to the fields they request and only use the official domain. Accurate information is important here. Mismatches can slow down processing. After you submit the form, keep an eye on your inbox for an acknowledgement. Support may send a confirmation message or a ticket number, and they might follow up for additional verification. Response times can vary by region and support volume, so give it a little time. When the request is approved and processed, you'll get a final confirmation that your account, or the related service account, has been deleted. At that point, logins will no longer work, and access to linked services, purchases, or game data may be removed. That's the process. Go to the Support Center, log in if you can, use the in-account deletion option when it's available, otherwise complete the official request form, then submit and watch for confirmation from Square Enix.